Okay, welcome back. Very tired summer recording incoming. It's 5 million degrees where I live. The AC is running in the background. If you hear that, I can't change that. Very tired today, but I wanted to play this, the Tornado ADV. I've hardly played this. If we have a look at the statistics, let me see. Aviation. Can we actually spot it? Tornado ADV, yeah. There it is. 9 matches. 1658. Okay. At least I can't remember it. Anyway, I definitely didn't play it with the Super Temps. And I definitely didn't play it either during the decompression or after the decompression happened. So I always liked the Tornado gameplay. Don't turn, just go fast. Lots of fuel, 5 million countermeasures. Yeah, and it looks cool. I like it. We don't have many games available. Well, actually, we do. It wasn't like that just a minute ago. Let me see. Okay, so we'll throw this out. I'll search for a match, and then we will see each other in the air. Oh, by the way, before I forget, what I have noticed, maybe it's subjective, but I think I noticed that these jet matches have gotten a little bit more balanced in terms of Team A, Team B. So this is one, for example, 3 versus 3, 7 versus 9. I know this is because France is on this side and Sweden, but anyway, normally it was always like 95% of the matches had more players on the side where America is. So yeah, 4 versus 4. Let's see here. 5. Okay, this is over basically. 5 versus 5. This is over. I guess it was the same one. This is basically over. This has just started, 15 seconds. 5 versus 4. So this is like manageable, right? It's kind of interesting. I don't know if that's subjective, but I've seen this now a couple of times. So don't know what changed. Maybe people got excited about Team Red. I don't know. I think we will join this. It's just Germany and Italy versus Russia. Interesting. Okay, let's go. Okay, we will go with 47 minutes of fuel because speed is the only thing this plane got. Like make it 50 even. And then we take 100 flares, 220 chaff, and 1616. That's fine. And the sky flashes. Okay, so with this plane, what you do is really go straight. And don't forget to enable the dampening mode if you fly this without dampening. Don't even bother. I have there's an enemy already. So I have enabled this slew radar thing. Normally this annoys me to death, but since we only have 5 degrees of scan elevation in this plane, I will try to make use of the thing and see what happens. Now, if I remember correctly, this was that kind of plane that didn't give you an indication of where the enemy is in the HUD when you didn't lock him. Not optimal, but we will manage. Okay, from the angle that my radar is at, I can see that the enemy is slightly below us, obviously. And you can see how much fuel this plane drinks. It's basically like an F-14. So, yeah. No RWR indication yet. Enemy is incoming. Maybe he wants to... he's rather slow, isn't he? So, yeah. Lock. Can we see where he is? No, we can't. We can't. Okay, so we will, I think yeah, see, you have to warm up we will let one fly. I think he will turn around very shortly. We wanted to bomb that base, I guess. And then we will switch to AIM-9s. It just continues on the course. Don't know what he's thinking there, but okay. SU-39, okay. And we go back. It was Tough Gim. Okay. And we go back up. We have already lost a quarter of our fuel. Again, you do not turn in this jet. You just do not turn. Do not try it. If you think you can't turn in a starfighter, basically multiply this by 2, and then you know how you fly the Tornado. You go in a straight line as fast as you can, and then you fire your stuff, and then you turn around. And that's it. Ah, MiG-23. I see a MiG-23 on my RWR. And yes, you get a modern one, so you see the enemy. Okay, that must be him, maybe? I don't know. Let's scan manually. A bit strange. DWS only works in head-on, by the way. So we have pulse Doppler velocity head-on, SRC, which is useless, PD HDN, and TWS HDN. There. Okay. Where are you? Are you higher than we are? No? There. There you are. Okay. Or is it actually? Because that looks like the airfield bots. They're turning around. Mark 1.3. Confirmed. We are slightly below contrail altitude. Okay, MiG-23 does not get closer for some reason. So he must have either just taken off or... I don't know. Let's scan a bit around. It's a very fast scanning radar as well, so I like that. Left, right, not left, right, left, right. Like in the flanker, you know, that's a very slow radar, but this one is quite fast. So you can keep track of enemies. You can keep track of enemies. Now, I don't know where this MiG-23 is. Is he on the airfield or what? Because he doesn't get closer at all. Half of our fuel is gone. That's how it goes. Yeah, we're almost at the airfield, so... If he doesn't take off very soon, we will turn around. Yeah, there's a Roland. The Roland is closer than the MiG-23, see? Yeah, I can't pick him up. Okay, let's forget that. Let's turn around. All slow movements. Nothing hectic. Oh, there was something. Right? I just switched modes. Yeah, there, look, there's something. Interesting. I would have sworn this... I didn't see anyone overtake me, but okay. So he must be co-altitude, because we lose track of him when we go lower, so that means he is here somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, there he is. Okay. Friendly callout. He is getting closer. We'll have to go for refuel after this, I guess. Does he not get any indication or what? He will fire. He's in range. And then we will switch to M9s to get an indication of where he actually is. Yeah, it's a bit... yeah. Again, as I said, it is strange. Same guy, I think. Yeah, Roger. Same guy. No, you don't. I just killed him. The same... yeah. Okay. SU-39. Now, I have 12 minutes of fuel. This guy bombed 9 tons. Yeah, okay. So, yeah. We will go back because, yeah, we need fuel. And we basically stay in Afterburner all day. Which means massive fuel usage. So we will burn again, go back to base, and that's it. Now, I cannot stress enough how gentle you have to be with this plane. It's not a left, right, left, right, left, right, jank the stick. Do not even try. Don't try. It's not working. You are like an arrow in this. Don't dogfight anything. You don't dogfight a Phantom, you don't dogfight an SU-39, you don't dogfight F5s, you don't dogfight MiGs. A MiG-23M will out-dogfight you. So don't try it. Your strength is your speed, your massive amount of countermeasures, and the kind of good missiles, actually, and the radar, and the RWR, which makes you superior to, say, a MiG-23 MLD or whatever. TWS is really, really good, because it shows you at all times where the enemies are, and because it has such a narrow scan zone, or scan height, you have to do the manual up and down thing. But other than that, you're technologically superior, and that is what you have to use. I really enjoy this. If you know me, then you know how much I like the Starfighter type of gameplay, right? So this is what you do. Go in, shoot, go out. If you can't beat the enemy, don't turn with him. Don't jank the stick, etc. You get the idea. Now I don't have thrust reversal mapped on my keyboard, which means I have to slow down the old-fashioned way. I just need a little bit more room. Perhaps here, air brake in. And we'll do one more. Oh. No, we don't. What the hell? Okay. What the... why? They were all in the game. What happened there? That is very confusing. Okay, GG. We'll do still one more. And now someone has joined. But the tickets are still going. Okay. Gajin, hello? What the funk is going on? Sometimes it's really strange. Okay, we will search another one. Bear with me. Okay, different match, same map. 1 hour of fuel this time, and it's one of those matches where... What? Oh, just... I thought, yeah. Where we are outnumbered, of course. So, that means we will likely get shot, but it also means more action. It's a trade-off, isn't it? So, basically same thing. We are even heavier now with 1 hour of fuel, but we will need it because I'm expecting to run away. We have F4Ss on the other side and the usual suspects. And we are already getting shot. By whom? Where is... Oh, he's... okay. He's really close. He's really, 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 really close. This guy. Obviously, this is very bad for us because we can't defend ourselves, right? This is really, really, really bad. We shoot at him, but... yeah. Oh, we got him. We got him. Flaps are gone. Who needs flaps? Okay, these... yeah. Obviously... yeah. So these guys wanted to rocket the airfields or something. Maybe they didn't get the memo that this is not possible anymore. Don't know. Here we... okay. This is a very fast scan. I thought it's like an HMD thing or whatever. Wow. Okay. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. There's another one over the sea. We need speed. We need speed, speed, speed. Like the worst things to happen happened. Got attacked on startup. Because we lost our flaps, we have also lost the little bit of lift that we had before. So yeah, this guy... yeah, the base is still blinking. This guy is... really slow? I'm actually considering repair after this, because... yeah. Okay, we will fire one, because we are in the cloud and he might not see the missile trail because of this. But who knows? Okay, we'll get a bit lower. Where's the guy? Is that him? Yes, it is. We'll fire another one because it doesn't really matter. We have to repair. Nice. Okay, the first missile hit. And we are turning away. Yeah, we lost a lot of lift. Turns even worse now. Okay, let's check out the base. Because it was blinking, so... is... yeah, it is still blinking. I wonder what happens there. I don't know. Radar doesn't pick anything up. I'm getting no RWR warning, which for me means he's... if something is there, he's flying away, but... yeah, I don't know. It's strange, isn't it? Okay. Turning around. Yeah, I know. I said we will repair, but I have the feeling we haven't. I cannot see anything. Since a minute. Okay, where the hell am I? Oh dear. Yeah, great. Wow. Who put these stupid clouds there? That is very strange. Okay. Base is still blinking. I have no idea what's going on there. Couldn't pick up anything. But we are back at Mark 1, so... Oh! Hello? Enemy following a friendly. I'll lock him to make him scared. I think I know where he is. Yeah, there. Okay. Will he turn around? I guess he will. Or maybe not. Or maybe yes, or maybe not. Firing? Getting an M9 ready, just to have him locked so that I can see where he is. It's an AJS, that's a vegan. He's super close. I can't shoot because of the damn... Oh dear. Yeah, he shot, we shot, but... and that's it. Vazi! Trade, as they call it. Okay, one last time. But I think we saved A, at least. Because that guy was in A, wasn't he? He came from there. Let's, because everything is focused here, let's go here and see that we can protect these bases, maybe. Yeah. Now, as you can see, we already have an enemy incoming. I guess he wants to attack the convoy or whatever. He's really slow. You can see by the dash that's coming out of his dot right there, so... I still would like to get a bit higher, if at all possible. Let's see where he is. There, okay. He's in the clouds. Good to know. So what I'm doing is this plane, because the HUD doesn't display where he is, I'm switching to AIM-9s. We just lost him. But when you do that, you get a little indication of where an enemy is. For example, there now. And yeah. Okay, there are two now. Two, is it? There's a friendly and an enemy. Okay. I think he wants to go for the base, but I'm not sure. These clouds, man. I'm just in constant mist. In range, but I wait, obviously. I wait with the lock. That is an F4. There it is. And lock and fire. He will turn around to the left, I guess. Maybe. Can't see him. There, okay. We'll wait with a shot. Maybe the first missile actually reaches. Why is he so slow? Nah. Okay. Yeah. F4J. Yeah, you wanted to bomb the base, right? Must have. Okay. Cool. Going back. 1/3 of the fuel gone. So basically what I'm doing is I'm always resetting after such an engagement. I'm getting back to my own lines, to a slow circle, and then come back. I think in RB this is much different because these matches are over in 4 minutes. It's like Call of Duty, but in here you can play a bit more to the strengths of this plane. I don't know. So we gotten 4 kills here. I think it was 3 in the last. Can't remember actually. But it's, and I'm super tired, as I mentioned at the beginning. But it's not bad. It's not. You just have to adjust a little bit. It just gets tricky when you get into a situation where you have to fight someone like close. You do not always have an influence on that, right? So it just can happen. And then you have a massive problem. So you have to do your best to not get in these situations. That's really it. Oh, there's something very close, actually. Good that we picked that up. Dear me. Okay. He's there. He's in the cloud, so if he doesn't do anything crazy, maybe that's actually the surveillance. Yeah, it was. It was. Doesn't matter. Kill is kill. And resetting. We have an F4 about, I would say, 30 kilometers out. Can we turn around in time? We have 1 radar missile left. This is as hard as this thing turns. As I said. Okay. There. He is in range, but he's... Is he abusing multipathing? He looks like he's very low. Okay, he's actually notching it. Kinda. Let's try one more time. I think that just exploded, did it? Okay, yeah. We have only AIM-9s left now. So he can't see this coming. Good. And we're back to base because we're kinda out of stuff. And there's an F4 now behind us. Kinda close. Let's use our massive chef. So because you only have HDN mode, if somebody notches you, you will lose the lock. Okay, so the F4 fired. But I don't think that's too much of a problem because we are as quick as he is and we are flying away from him. And we have chef. Which I will use. And he lost lock. Oh, there's something. There's something right in front of me. In the clouds! In the damn clouds! Why? So I can't lock him. I can't do anything. Shit. Oh no, maybe? No. Shit. Yeah. These clouds, man. That would have been a very sure kill, but you can't lock stuff in the clouds. So... annoying. Okay, that's... we died once, but we got 5. That's an ace. Going home. And wrapping up. I think the F4 is still following. We'll see. Doesn't really matter, I think. Doesn't really matter. And look, we made them leave. We started to make them leave. Everybody's zombing? Ah. Okay. And that's that. Hope you enjoyed that. You can only really fly this when the ceiling, the BR ceiling, is 12.0. I think there are... I don't know from my mind the other schedules. But when it's like, I don't know, 12 to 12.7 or whatever, that's a lot harder. But it has its spot, and yeah, I like it. So, hope you enjoyed that, guys, and until the next one. Bye-bye!